Physicians have long been prescribing garlic to treat a variety of medical conditions. Modern science has recently confirmed many of the beneficial health effects of consuming garlic. If you have eaten your fair share of garlic today, you have done a service to your health. But what is garlic, and why is it so good for you? Garlic belongs to the allium family. Allium refers to a class of plants that also contains onions, leeks, and shallots. Garlic contains phytochemicals such as allicin and organosulfur compounds. These phytochemicals or plant compounds are responsible for the garlic's heart-healthy, immune-supportive, anti-inflammatory, and nutritional properties. The plant compounds in garlic may help strengthen your immune system and stave off inflammation. Deliberately including garlic in food preparations on a regular basis can give you long-term benefits. Don't be afraid to load up the garlic in hummus, pesto, pasta, sauces, soups, stir-fries, and roasted vegetables. After all, it's packed with health benefits. Here are 14 health benefits of garlic that are supported by human research. Hello dear viewer, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you proven health benefits of garlic. This video contains 14 tested health benefits of consuming garlic in humans. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. What we get at the number one is that garlic can help reduce or lower blood pressure. Cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes are the world's biggest killers. High blood pressure or hypertension is one of the most important drivers of these diseases. Human studies have found garlic supplements to have a significant impact on reducing blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. In one study, 600 to 1,500 mg of aged garlic extract was just as effective as the drug atenolol at reducing blood pressure over a 24-week period. Supplement doses must be fairly high to have the desired effects. The amount needed is equivalent to about 4 cloves of garlic per day. High doses of garlic appear to improve blood pressure for those with known high blood pressure or hypertension. In some instances, supplements may be as effective as regular medications. A couple of cloves a day may help keep a visit to the cardiologist away. Garlic stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide and dilates blood vessels and inhibits angiotensin converting enzyme or ACE activity, which in turn help relax blood vessels. This could potentially support healthy blood flow and pressure. A recent review and meta-analysis published in February 2020 in Experimental and Therapeutic Medicine showed that in 12 trials, more than 550 individuals with hypertension that were studied taking Kyolic, aged garlic supplements for 3 months lowered systolic blood pressure or top number by about 8 points and diastolic blood pressure or the bottom number by 5.5 points. A similar effect to that of blood pressure medications. Number 2. Garlic supports immune system and can combat sickness. Garlic supplements are known to boost the function of the immune system. One large 12-week study on common cold found that a daily garlic supplement reduced the number of colds by 63% compared to placebo. The average length of cold symptoms was also reduced by 70% from 5 days in the placebo group to just 1.5 days in the garlic group. Another study found that a high dose of aged garlic extract of 2.56 grams per day reduced the number of days sick with cold or flu by 61%. However, one review concluded that the evidence is insufficient and more research is needed. Given our collective zest for learning about taking care of our immune system during the COVID-19 pandemic, here is one reason to add garlic to your dinner tonight. While there is not enough evidence to suggest that garlic will prevent or treat the common cold, for instance, it can play a role in your body's defense mechanism in a few ways. For one, the allicin, or one of the plant chemicals in garlic, provides antibacterial properties. Scientists also believe that garlic has antiviral properties that may work in two ways. One, by blocking the entry of virus into cells, and two, by strengthening the immune response so that it can effectively fight off potential invaders. It's these things that can help support a healthy immune system overall. Number 3. Garlic may help lower cholesterol and reduce heart disease risk. Another potential perk of garlic for the heart, improving cholesterol levels. How? Garlic may help decrease the production of cholesterol by the liver. While more research is needed to determine the relationship between garlic intake and cholesterol levels, a meta-analysis and review of studies that was published in May 2018 in Medicine concluded that taking garlic supplements was effective in lowering both total cholesterol and high LDL, or the bad cholesterol levels, which are two risk factors for heart disease. Garlic can lower total LDL, or bad cholesterol. For those with high cholesterol, garlic supplements appear to reduce total cholesterol and or LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. Looking at LDL and HDL cholesterol specifically, garlic appears to lower LDL, or the bad cholesterol, but has no reliable effect on HDL, or on the good cholesterol. High triglyceride levels are another known risk factor for heart disease, but garlic seems to have no significant effects on triglyceride levels. Number 4. Garlic may help quell inflammation. Scientists believe that chronic inflammation is a driver behind chronic diseases including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and arthritis, according to Harvard Health Publishing. Garlic, on the other hand, helps inhibit the activity of certain inflammatory proteins. In a randomized, controlled, double-blinded study of 17 women with inflammatory autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, the group who took 1000 milligrams of garlic supplements per day for 8 weeks had lower inflammatory markers, less pain and fatigue, and fewer tender joints compared with the placebo group. Researchers published their findings in November 2020 in Phytotherapy Research. Number 5. Garlic may improve bone health. No human studies have measured the effects of garlic on bone loss so far. However, rodent studies have shown that it can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen in females. One study in menopausal women found that a daily dose of a dry garlic extract equal to 2 grams of raw garlic significantly decreased a marker of estrogen deficiency. This suggests that this supplement may have beneficial effects on bone health in women. Foods like garlic and onions may also have beneficial effects on osteoarthritis. Thus, garlic appears to have some benefits for bone health and increasing estrogen levels in females, but more human studies are needed. Number 6. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body. At high doses, the sulfur compounds in garlic have been shown to protect against organ damage from heavy metal toxicity. A 4-week study in employees of a car battery plant where there is excessive exposure to lead found that garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by 19%. It also reduced many clinical signs of toxicity, including headaches and blood pressure. 3 doses of garlic each day even outperformed the drug penicillamine in reducing symptoms. Number 7. Garlic may reduce blood clotting. One more benefit of garlic for your health is that compounds in garlic and onions have been shown to decrease the stickiness of our platelets and have anti-clotting properties. These things may help guard against atherosclerosis, a process in which plaque buildup leads to a hardening and narrowing of arteries. Atherosclerosis increases your risk for blood clots that can cause heart attacks and strokes. Of course, eating garlic shouldn't be the only preventive measure you take to protect your arteries. The National Heart, Blood and Lung Institute recommends following a heart-healthy eating plan, getting plenty of exercise, managing your weight, and avoiding or quitting smoking. Number 8. Garlic provides a host of antioxidants and may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic's nutrients and plant compounds give it strong antioxidant properties, per review published in July 2020 in Antioxidants. Not only do antioxidants benefit blood vessels and reduce inflammation, but they may soak up the damaging free radicals that can lead to diseases like cancer. Through this, anti-cancer potential needs to be borne on human research, says the American Institute for Cancer Research. Oxidative damage for free radicals contributes to the aging process. Garlic contains antioxidants that support the body's protective mechanisms against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in those with high blood pressure. The combined effects on reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 9. Garlic has potent medicinal properties. Garlic is a plant in the allium or onion family. It is closely related to onions, shallots, and leeks. Each segment of a garlic bulb is called a clove. There are about 10 to 12 cloves in a single bulb, give or take. Garlic grows in many parts of the world and is a popular ingredient in cooking due to its strong smell and delicious taste. However, throughout ancient history, the main use of garlic was for its health and medicinal properties. Its use was well documented by many major civilizations, including the Egyptians, Babylonians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese. Scientists now know that most of its health benefits are caused by sulfur compounds formed when a garlic clove is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Perhaps the most famous of those is known as allicin. However, allicin is an unstable compound that is only briefly present in a fresh garlic after it's been cut or crushed. Sulfur compounds from garlic enter the body from the digestive tract and travel all over the body where it exerts its potent biological effects. Number 10. Garlic might improve athletic performance. Garlic was one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances. It was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. Most notably, it was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece. Rodent studies have shown that garlic helps with exercise performance, but very few human studies have been done. People with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks and had a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and better exercise capacity. However, a study on 9 competitive cyclists found no performance benefits. Other studies suggest that exercise-induced fatigue may be reduced with garlic. Number 11. Garlic may help you live longer. The potential benefits of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans, but given the beneficial effects of important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious diseases is also an important factor because these are common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. Number 12. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. Calorie for calorie, garlic is incredibly nutritious. 1 clove or 3 grams of raw garlic contains manganese 2% for the daily consumption, vitamin B6 2% of the daily value, vitamin C 1% of the daily value, selenium 1% of the daily value, fiber 0.06 grams, and decent amounts of calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron, and vitamin B1. This comes with 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbs. Garlic also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. In fact, it contains a little bit of almost everything you need. 13. Garlic makes other healthy foods taste great. Garlic is in the same category of foods as onions, herbs, and spices. Adding garlic brings great flavor to foods, so it helps you eat more of the foods that we are supposed to be eating more, like vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and beans. Adding flavor through garlic can also potentially help you reduce the need for excess salt on your foods and just 4 calories per clove, according to the US Department of Agriculture. Number 14. Garlic is easy to include in your diet and tastes absolutely delicious. The last one is not a health benefit, but is still important. Garlic is very easy and delicious to include in your current diet. It complements most savory dishes, particularly soups and sauces. The strong taste of garlic can also add a punch to otherwise bland recipes. Garlic comes in several forms, from whole cloves and smooth pastes to powders and supplements like garlic extract and garlic oil. However, keep in mind that there are some downsides to garlic, such as bad breath. There are also some people who are allergic to it. If you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood thinning medicines, talk to your doctor before increasing your garlic intake. A common way to use garlic is to press a few cloves of fresh garlic with a garlic press, then mix it with extra virgin olive oil and a bit of salt. As you can see in the video, we have compiled 14 interesting benefits of garlic for you. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. Our channel presents to you health-related contents which you can apply on daily basis in order to improve your situation. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.